In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Replit 2025, step by step. If your Replit workspace feels sluggish when you're iterating on code with the built-in AI agent, there's a simple way to get it moving faster. We'll focus on one setting designed specifically for quick, targeted changes, fast mode. Think of it as a streamlined lane that prioritizes speed and responsiveness over deep, multi-file analysis. Open your Replit workspace and look for the AI agent panel on the right side of the editor. At the bottom of that panel is the agent prompt box where you normally type your requests. Inside or next to that prompt box, you'll see a small lightning bolt icon. Click that lightning bolt to enable fast mode. When it's on, the agent uses a lighter, more focused model that responds more quickly. You may notice a subtle visual indicator or tooltip confirming that fast mode is active. Now type your request as usual. The key to getting the most out of fast mode is to be specific and keep the scope tight. Ask for a quick fix, a small refactor, or a single file change rather than a broad, multi-component redesign. For example, mention the exact function or file you want changed and describe the outcome you expect. The agent will respond faster because it's not performing an extensive architectural review behind the scenes. Because fast mode trades depth for speed, it's great for rapid feedback loops. Tweak a function, update a config, fix a lint error, or add a concise feature in one piece. After the agent proposes changes, review the diff carefully and run your code to confirm everything behaves as expected. This keeps the workflow snappy without sacrificing reliability. If you need a more comprehensive analysis later, just click the lightning bolt again to switch fast mode off and return to the standard, more thorough behavior. If you don't see the lightning bolt, make sure the AI agent panel is open and not collapsed, and check the bottom area of the panel where the prompt box sits. On smaller screens, the panel can be tucked away, expand it, and the icon should appear. A few practical tips as you use fast mode: keep prompts concise, reference specific files or symbols, and limit each request to one goal. If the result isn't quite right, refine your prompt rather than broadening it. And remember to commit your changes or use Replit's version history so you can roll back quickly if needed. That's it. Toggle the lightning bolt in the agent prompt box, keep your requests focused, and enjoy the faster turnaround for everyday coding tasks.